And we're going. Look at the bend in that Uncle Lou.
This is the ugly stick.
That's ugly stick.
Well, we'll have to edit that part out. You got the net? Go, Nina!
Oh my God. It's like, I don't know.
Get it!
I don't know if it's a fish.
Oh, it's a fish!
That is a fish! Oh my God!
Oh my God!
You might have our PBB. Look at this, Freddie, come here!
Don't muscle it.
No, just go slow. Take your time.
Oh God, it's a fish!
Take your time. It's a fish.
Honey!
Take your time, Nina. Take your time. This might be... That's going to beat my PB, I think. Take your time.
Oh shit!
Take your time.
Honey, come look at my fish!
Oh my gosh, we should have been light. Just go slow. Go slow. Go slow.
Oh my God!
Way to go, Nina.
Come on, I need a new arm. Hang on.
When you're pulling up, don't you got it. You got it. Look at that fish in the water there. That's a...
Wow.
Oh my God!
we might need to walk in the water here. Look at this thing.
Oh.
Get it netted. Get it netted.
Oh my God!
So, Nina, did you break your PB?
I think so! Woo-hoo-hoo, baby!
All right, let's go live.
Oh my God!
Nina!
Crap! Look at that fish!
I'm sorry about this video, guys. Sorry about the video. I was a little more excited about the fish than recording. Freddie and Nina have just announced they're moving to Richmond. And that's why you fish the James River. I got one question, Nina. Was it fun? Was it fun?
Yeah, it was awesome!
Are you sure that's a blue?
No, we'll see.
That might be a freaking huge can of...
No, I'm pretty sure it's a blue. We'll check the tail in a minute.
I just seen... That was awesome.
All right, so you want to go live showing our...
Sure.